So, you're scrolling online, maybe looking for that perfect dress, and you stumble onto Maison Parker Boutique. It looks fancy, claims it's based in New York. Glamorous, right? But before you hit buy now, let's take a fast, honest look at what's really going on. First off, the biggest red flag? The location. Maison Parker flashes addresses in the US, but almost every single package ships straight from China. That means 3 to 5 weeks of waiting, at best. And when that package finally shows up, well, most customers say the clothes are nothing like the photos. We're talking thin fabrics, weird sizing, and sometimes totally different items than what you ordered. Now, about those gorgeous product photos, they might not even be real. Many reviewers think they're either AI generated or swiped right off other fast fashion sites like Shein. So what you see? Probably not what you get. Returns? Here's where it gets brutal. Maison Parker promises easy returns, but in reality, sending stuff back means paying international shipping to China. Sometimes the fees cost more than the clothes themselves. And customer support? Good luck. Most people say their emails go unanswered, or they're offered a tiny discount instead of a real refund. Let's talk trust. On the Shop app, Maison Parker scores a sad 2.2 out of 5 stars, mostly from frustrated shoppers. So if you're wondering if it's worth the risk, let me save you some time. It's not. Your best bet is to avoid Maison Parker Boutique altogether. And if you've already placed an order and things are going sideways, skip waiting for an email. Contact your bank now and ask about a chargeback. Stay safe online and always double-check before you shop. Don't let a boutique scam you out of your hard-earned money.